So, my name is Christian Paguri. I'm from Litchfield, New Hampshire. Nice to meet you. So a fond sport memory from when I was younger is probably um, either when I was in eighth grade or playing with my friends in high school. I really took that for granted. That was awesome, being able to play with my best friends and on the same team before we went to college. So that's definitely my best memory. My dream job. My dream job would probably be to work with a professional sports team in some way. Um, I don't really care what sport it is. I think it would be cool to work with one or to work as a athletic director for a good college. An interesting fact about myself is I have a dog back home, and my favorite pro athlete of all time is David Ortiz. And thank you. Have a good one.